Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the HOMEWORLD 3 game into your PC. So first you have to open up the any browser, and here in the Google search box just type in HOMEWORLD 3 and hit the enter. And scroll down and you will see the website Steam HOMEWORLD 3 on Steam. Just click on the website to open it. Now here you need to just simply create an account or simply log in. So click on the login option you are seeing on the top, and now here if you have an account then simply sign in, and if you don't have an account click on the create an account option, and here you need to just simply give your email address and check these boxes and click on the continue. So after you create an account click on the install Steam option, and now here you need to just click on the install Steam. Then it will start downloading the small setup into your PC, and now when it was downloaded now you can just simply open this setup. Now click on the yes, and now here click on the next option, select your language here and click on the next, and here you can select your language where you want to install. Click on the install option. So after you install it you have to just simply open up your Steam and simply log in here. After that now you can click on the search box and just type in the HOMEWORLD 3 game and just hit the enter, and now you'll see the HOMEWORLD 3 game on the first. So you can just simply open the game you are seeing on the first. So you can just simply select your date of birth, click on the view page. So after that now here you can just scroll down and you can just simply choose the two version, which is the first and the fleet command edition. Just click on the add to cart option, and now here click on the view my card, and then you need to just click on the continue to payment option, and then you can just simply pay with your PayPal or pay with your card or MasterCard, and then click on the continue. So after the payment now this game will start downloading and installing into your PC. So guys, this is how you can download and install the HOMEWORLD 3 game into your PC. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions please let me know in the comments.